Google just handed solo operators a ridiculously simple way to turn website screenshots into client-ready conversion audits. I am talking about Gemini's vision capabilities. Feed it desktop and mobile screenshots from a website, and it can break down CTA problems, confusing layouts, weak messaging, navigation issues, trust signals, and mobile usability gaps. Then stack that with Google's free page speed insights for real performance data, and suddenly you have a powerful website audit workflow without immediately paying for another SEO platform. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact prompt structure that makes Gemini catch issues a human auditor would miss. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I help solo operators build service businesses using AI tools that do not require a subscription before you have made your first dollar. If you want the complete framework for turning tools like this one into client income, step by step, my AI Tollbooth course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $40. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video. So grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here is the thing. Most people think a real website audit requires expensive software that crawls the site and spits out a report. SEMrush and Ahrefs can cost around $100 a month or more. And if you are trying to offer SEO services before you have clients lined up, that overhead adds up fast. That is exactly why tools like Gemini matter. What Google built into Gemini changes the entire entry point. You do not need a crawler. You need screenshots and the right prompt. That is it. I call this the Snapshot Audit Stack. You are feeding visual data into Gemini's vision model and asking it to analyze the site like a technical auditor would. Metadata, speed signals, layout responsiveness, all of it. And because it is reading the page visually instead of crawling code, you can catch issues that show up in the browser but might not trigger in a traditional tool. Here is how it works. Take full page screenshots of the home page, a service page, and maybe a blog post. Upload them to Gemini with a structured prompt asking it to analyze the screenshots for technical SEO issues, mobile responsiveness, and on-page optimization opportunities. Tell it to return the findings in a client-ready format. Gemini analyzes the visual information and gives you a breakdown without requiring site access. Think about what this means for someone offering SEO services to local businesses. One session, 3 screenshots of a plumbing company's homepage, service page, and contact form. Gemini flags slow image loads, missing title tags, a broken mobile menu layout, and unclear meta descriptions. You package those findings into a professional audit without adding another paid platform to your stack. Now here is where this gets actually useful. You can stack this with other free tools to build a full reporting workflow. Take the Gemini output and drop it into a Google Doc template. Add a header with the client's branding. Structure the findings by priority, critical, recommended, optional. Here is where things get wild. You can run comparative audits. Screenshot a competitor's homepage and your client's homepage. Feed both into Gemini with a prompt asking it to compare layout, speed signals, and on-page optimization. It will show you what the competition is doing better and where your client has an edge. That kind of competitive intelligence used to sit inside platforms that charge monthly. Now, it is a 20-minute workflow using screenshots and a free AI model. Most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it straight to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one formatting step you have to nail, or the whole thing looks amateur. I am walking you through that in about 60 seconds. Here is what separates a technical audit from something a client actually values. Tie every finding back to a business outcome. Do not just tell them the hero image loads slowly. Explain that slow loading can cause visitors to leave before they see the phone number. Do not just flag a mobile layout issue. Explain how it could cost them leads. You are not selling a list of technical problems. You are showing them why those problems matter. Money angle 1. A dentist wants to rank higher in local search, but has no idea where to start. You run a snapshot audit using Gemini. You screenshot their homepage, services page, and contact page. Gemini flags missing schema markup, unclear H1 tags, and images with no alt text, all things killing their rankings. You package that into a 4-page report and charge them $300. Then you offer to fix the issues for another $500 as a one-time project, or set up a monthly retainer at $250 to keep optimizing. SEMrush would have cost you $130 a month just to generate that same data. Your version costs $0. Money angle 2. A local HVAC company is getting traffic but no conversions. You screenshot their site, feed it into Gemini, and ask it to evaluate conversion optimization. Gemini catches a broken mobile menu, a CTA buried below the fold, and a contact form that takes 8 fields when 3 would work. You hand them a report showing exactly what is costing them leads. That is a $400 audit plus a setup fee to fix the issues. Most UX audit tools bundle this inside plans that start at $100 a month. You just did it for free. Money angle 3. Someone in your local market wants to outrank their competitors, but does not know what the gap is. You screenshot their homepage and their top 3 competitors. Feed all 4 into Gemini with a comparative prompt. Gemini shows you the competitor has faster load signals, clearer metadata, and a mobile layout that works better on small screens. You turn those findings into a competitive strategy document, showing exactly where the client is falling behind and what to fix first. If you want the complete system for building this into real client income, my AI Tollbooth course walks you through it step by step. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $40. It is linked in the description. Drop a comment and let me know if you are grabbing it. I want to see who is taking action on this. And listen, if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture this, you are running SEO audits for 3 local businesses, a roofer, a law firm, and a med spa. You use the same Snapshot Audit Stack for each one. Screenshots, structured prompts, and clean client-ready reports. The workflow stays the same, so you can repeat it across different industries without adding another software subscription. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is, the prompt structure that makes Gemini catch issues most people miss. You need to break your prompt into 3 layers. Layer 1, context. Tell Gemini what kind of business this is and what their primary goal is. A local plumber trying to get more service calls. A law firm trying to rank for personal injury keywords. Whatever applies. Layer 2, analysis request. Ask Gemini to evaluate the screenshots for technical SEO issues, mobile responsiveness, and conversion optimization in that order. Layer 3, output format. Tell Gemini to return findings as a prioritized list with business impact tied to each issue. That 3-layer structure is what makes the output feel like it came from a professional auditor instead of a generic AI response. Most people skip the context layer and wonder why the results feel shallow. Add that layer and everything tightens up. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are reaching out to local businesses with a simple offer. Let me audit your website for technical issues and show you what is costing you traffic. You are not asking for site access. You are not requiring login credentials. You are taking 3 screenshots, running them through Gemini, and handing back a professional report that shows them exactly where the gaps are. Every single one of those audits is a door into a paid relationship, either a one-time fixed project or a monthly retainer, to keep optimizing their site. And because your cost to deliver is 0, every dollar you charge is margin. No platform fees, no software tax, just leverage and a smart workflow. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.